Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today I am going to share my view regarding who is Shaitan, Iblis, Lucifer or Devil. We cannot see Shaitan by our naked eyes, but we can feel his evil works, not only by human activities, but also by the whole creation who is after human being to destroy his good moral values or good deeds. In human mind, there is humanly values and virtues. On the contrary, there is always a destructive and demoralized force on every human being. This picture is well depicted in the book Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Shaitan is powered by Almighty. Yes, Shaitan is powered by Almighty because Almighty has given Shaitan 4 powers. If you are willing to win over Shaitan, you must always take refuge from Shaitan by asking help to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Shaitan is the one who is after you by the willful drive of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Yes, Shaitan is the one who is after you by the willful drive of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. But why Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala himself drive Shaitan after you? Because Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala himself want you to take refuge from the evil force and thus remember him again and again in all steps of life. Hence, the relation between you and Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala will establish deeper day by day. There is always a trade-off between earthly happiness and the life hereafter. Although this happiness is not a pure happiness on the earthly life, neither devoid of pain, people are always after instant happiness. People are reluctant to accept the happiness in future in a trade for a present one. So they prioritize impure happiness over the pure one. That is impatience. Impatience, the first virtue of human. After he was made from clay, the first virtue of human was impatience. According to Quran, the Holy Quran says that man is impatient. Another issue is the sacrifice. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala wants sacrifice because love needs sacrifice to be proved as a true love. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala let the human be tempted by shaitanic activity. When you can sacrifice greed for the sake of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, only then the true love come out, and hence the relationship between the Almighty and the eternal being and you will established forever. So this is the concept of Shaitan in Islam and all other religions. Today, for now, this is all. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.